Indonesia, a diverse archipelago in Southeast Asia, is a land of vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. With over 17,000 islands, each with its own unique charm, Indonesia offers a kaleidoscope of experiences for travelers seeking adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Join us as we embark on a virtual exploration of Indonesia's top destinations and discover the wonders that await. Bali, the Island of Gods. Our journey begins in Bali, often referred to as the Island of Gods. Famous for its lush landscapes, pristine beaches, and rich spiritual traditions, Bali captivates visitors from around the world. Relax on the golden shores of Kuta and Seminyak, or seek tranquility in the artistic town of Ubud, surrounded by terraced rice paddies and dense rainforests. Embrace the Balinese culture through traditional dance performances, intricate temples, and offerings that adorn every corner. Yogyakarta, the cultural heartland. Next, we venture to Yogyakarta on the island of Java, the cultural heartland of Indonesia. Here, ancient traditions thrive amidst modern developments. Explore the UNESCO-listed Borobudur Temple, the world's largest Buddhist monument, and Prambanan Temple, an impressive Hindu temple complex. Witness the art of batik making and experience the Javanese way of life in the Kraton, the Sultan's Palace. Komodo National Park, Land of Dragons. Heading east, we arrive at Komodo National Park, the UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the iconic Komodo dragons. These prehistoric-looking creatures are the world's largest lizards and can only be found on a handful of Indonesian islands. Trek through the rugged terrain, and if you're lucky, catch a glimpse of these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Raja Ampat, Marine Paradise. Our journey takes us to Raja Ampat, located off the coast of West Papua. This remote and pristine archipelago is a haven for divers and nature enthusiasts. Immerse yourself in the kaleidoscope of marine life as you snorkel or scuba dive in some of the world's most biodiverse waters. Above the surface, the island's stunning landscapes, including limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons, offer a glimpse of paradise on Earth. Lombok, the island of adventure. Lombok, located east of Bali, is a destination for thrill-seekers and nature lovers. Trek to the summit of Mount Rinjani, an active volcano with breathtaking vistas of a volcanic caldera lake. For beach enthusiasts, the pristine shores of the Gili Islands offer a laid-back atmosphere and fantastic snorkeling opportunities. Jakarta, the capital melting pot. We end our journey in Jakarta, the bustling capital of Indonesia. This vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures where modern skyscrapers coexist with historical landmarks. Explore the Old Town, Kota Tua, to discover Dutch colonial architecture and museums. Savor delicious Indonesian street food and experience the city's lively markets and shopping districts. Conclusion. Indonesia, with its diverse landscapes, rich cultures, and warm hospitality, is a tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. From the spiritual allure of Bali to the ancient wonders of Yogyakarta, from the dragons of Komodo to the underwater marvels of Raja Ampat, and from the adventures in Lombok to the cosmopolitan energy of Jakarta, Indonesia offers an unforgettable journey of discovery, embracing the beauty of nature, the richness of traditions, and the warmth of its people.